Hi, my name is Tommy, and like you, I also am tired of hearing about the same products over and over again. So I took it upon myself to find the craziest, most amazing products you might ever see. Welcome to my channel. Let's begin. Here's Tommy. Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to another episode of Unboxing Everything episode. Today we're going to be unboxing another Kickstarter product. Of course, this one is a little bit different from what I usually get from Kickstarter, but I thought it was cool, so I got it. Here we go. The Hydaway collapsible drink cup. Here it is. Let's open it up. Okay. Here's the cup. Okay. All right. Take this off. Oh, it's just lid on. Nice. Takes up almost no space at all. What's in your Hydaway? Okay. Good, good, good. Here you go. To let air in, just twist it a bit. Or open it. And should be able to pull it out. Nice. And here it is. The collapsible cup. Oh, nice. If you put the cap on, since you're creating a vacuum, it doesn't collapse as easily. It also comes with this, which makes it look way cooler. Way better. This is the Cascadia model. I wanted to order the Yukon model, but even though they asked everyone what they wanted, they still didn't have enough for everybody. What happened? Everybody who wanted Yukon ended up ordering Cascadia. Then they didn't have Cascadia for the ones that wanted Cascadia. And they ended up with a lot of Yukon. It was a disaster what they did. But nope, doesn't matter. Still got it. It looks cool. It looks really good. And let's see if the straw is a very big straw. So you should be able to drink almost any liquid through it. Nice. In the inside, I don't know if you can see it. It has some markings on it for 8 ounces, 12 ounces, and 16 ounces. Okay. So basically, that's it. This is the Hydaway collapsible cup. You can take it with you anywhere. Well, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell to get notified of my next video. Thanks for watching. Take care.